This is a payment immersive quiz app I have earned from 5 trusted websites easily without any types of previous knowledges or experiences. If you want to earn in this pandemic situation, I cordially request to watch this video to ensure $150 to $300 from any corner of this world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is Make Money Online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are a first time and didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this YouTube channel. And if you new wanna make money online just like this, and keep watching, and if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button and share more and more with your friends or family members. On the other hand, if you are first time you want to earn more and more on Bengali channel, this is called Learning and Earning Tube. If you are first time, I cordially request to subscribe this channel. Also click the bell button to get all types of earning related and informative videos from this awesome channel. So let's get started. In this video, I want to share how will you get paid $150 to $300 from 5 trusted micro working sites easily from any corner of the world. In this bad situation, most of the people are losing their jobs during this bad situation. So if you want to earn like this, follow this step from starting to the till end. You will get paid $150 to $300 easily per month. 3 steps to make money online with these 5 trusted websites. Step number 1: unveiling multiple ways to make money with these 5 websites on your phone or your computer. Step number 2: revealing with 5 websites are really awesome and trending just only for you if you want to earn extra cash from any corner of the world or from your home. So here is a disclaimer: results are not typical. Use this information at your own risk and follow the exact steps or else results will not be possible. So after coming here, this website is called picoworkers.com. picoworkers.com is a trusted website, microworking website. You can work as a freelancer or a client on this platform. You can post the job on this platform. Such a simple work I would like to share step by step. First of all, if you are a new wanna make money online, start working or start earning from this picoworkers.com. So first of all, if you come to this interface, on picoworkers.com, just click on the sign up button here. Fill this form at a glance or providing all the information on this form here: first name, email address, password, and this country. You have to select from this box here. Just click on this box and you will get this account from this micro working website, picoworkers.com. After completing this signing of works, you will get this interface. You will be able to log in on this picoworkers.com. Here there are lots of works on this interface. I think sign up work, marketing sign up work, and Gmail, create an account, and this one is when X sign up plus KYC and a screenshot, and this one are lots of work. You can do it from any corner of this world. Now I like to share how you will complete this work at a glance. This one is very simple and pretty easy, I think. So first of all, you have to open this link, and then you must read the total criteria, what you should do after coming to this interface. First of all, you have to search this website, YouTube channel link, and then watch the full video and subscribe. You can run in the background. Very important, I will check is it full watch time. If skip, you will not get paid. Mind it, you have to play this video and then you will get paid. And number 4, share on any social medias. Do not share in story. Do not use WhatsApp or Viber. So you can share on this LinkedIn or Facebook or other Pinterest or other trusted social media. Boom, this is the best and easiest way. I think you can do it without any types of previous knowledges or experiences, or without getting any types of help of others. So after doing this one, you have to submit this work. How you will submit your work? First time, the screenshot of the video page you fully watched a screenshot of the subscribe. Do not fake subscribe. Social share to link. Give me your channel subscription link. So this is the box. You can you have to provide the proof here. So then after doing this one, you have to just click on this submit proof. So this is the best and easiest way, I think, to do all types of work. And you have to spend only 5 or 6 minutes to complete this work, and you will get paid $0.05 from this work at a glance. And then you will get lots of works from this PQworkers.com. So after doing this, how you will withdraw your payment? If you click on this wallet button here, and you will get 4 options to withdraw your payment from this interface. First of all, if you have a credit or debit card, you can use this one. And I know you have a PayPal account. If you don't have any PayPal account, I have uploaded a video how you will create a PayPal account easily from any corner of this world. Watch that video from my YouTube channel. Third one is a scale. First of all, I could really request to create an account. This is called paypal.com. And after creating this PayPal account, you can withdraw your payment from this PQworkers.com. And on the other hand, this is the last and fourth one, I mean Coinbase.com. You can create an account freely for your for ensuring your payment from this PQworkers.com. This is the best and easiest way to ensure your payment from this website. First of all, I could really request to watch this video step by step and then work on this PQworkers.com. Second one is called microworkers.com. If you don't have any account, just click on this register for free by providing your all types of informations. I mean first name, last name, email address, password, and others you can provide, and then you will be able to get an account, I mean microworkers.com. After logging in on this interface, you will get lots of works on this website easily. So this one is best, and second one for ensuring extra cash without any types of pandemic situation. We know something is better than nothing. If you don't have any previous knowledge or experiences, or without getting any types of help from any corner of the world, you can work on this micro-working job. So number 3, this is called rapidworkers.com. This one is another awesome website to work more and more on this website, and this amount is so pretty simple, I think. So though this one is also a pretty or simple amount, but mind that if you spend 3 or 4 hours per day from any corner of the world, you can ensure this amount at a glance after doing this work on this website easily. Next one is called Jobboy.com. This one is another trusted website to do your all types of micro-working micro-works from this website easily. And this one is PayPal and Payza account method, and you can use this one also. Mind it, if you don't have any PayPal account, I cordially request to create a PayPal account easily from any corner of the world to withdraw your amount easily from this 5 micro working job website easily. So after coming here, you can create an account and providing all the informations on jobbuy.com and log in or sign in on this interface and start working on this jobbuy.com. Next one is called clickworkers.com. This one is last and final websites. You can work on this website easily. After coming here, you can work as a customer or as a click workers. First of all, if you want to work as a customer or a click workers, you have to choose from this any one of this box here, and then you can provide all the information such as first name, last name, email address and password on this interface. Then boom, this is the best and easiest way to use 5 micro working job to ensure extra cash from your home easily, step by step. So this is my total video. If you want to earn extra cash, I would like to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel. If you click on these videos, you will get lots of videos which are very easiest way to ensure extra cash from after watching this video from my YouTube channel. So if you didn't subscribe this one, please subscribe and click the bell button to get this awesome videos from this YouTube channel. Also, I cordially request to subscribe my first channel. This is called Learning and Earning Tube, and share more and more with your friends. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.